It's got another day, of course, this to get through. Are you happy with the stock at this level?
Yes. I had mentioned last week, I thought after the texting, it was time to really look at the stock. And I added positions yesterday, fortunately, although who knows, it could retest its lows. But I think, all the bad information, all the worst cases in the stock, because Boeing has not been sitting on its heels. They have been doing lots of internal changes, safety reviews. And what the CEO did today, he needed to do to publicly, admit culpability, to apologize, to make amends, and to start to lay out everything they have been doing and will do in the future so this doesn't happen again.
S&P 500 is down 10 basis points with just under 10 minutes left to trade. Of course, any positive close would be another record high. Shares of Beyond Meat tanking today despite beating on earnings and raising its full-year sales forecast. The company's post-IPO lockup expiring today, meaning insiders can sell their stock for the first time. Beyond Meat CEO Ethan Brown appeared on Scorebox this morning, and he was asked what he plans to do with his shares.
I'm not doing a thing. My focus is entirely on growing this business. People have asked me, do you want to do a partnership with a larger company? I have no interest in that anymore. What I'm interested in is becoming that larger company. I have a goal to make this a $40 billion company in terms of revenue.
Barbara, how much of this is competition and the fact that there might be more competitive pricing in grocery stores and elsewhere versus the stock lockup expiration?
Well, it's an interesting question because there's definitely a lot of chatter about competition, which is clearly coming in. But I think this is really more about the lockup, which suddenly hits today, after the, with the stock. So I think that's what's going on here. And I think it's actually a buying opportunity sometime in the next few days, or week or so, because the fundamentals were superb. And this is a company that is moving fast and moving hard, and it's a giant market, some $270 billion. So there's room for more than one or two players.
Mike, you look